There is a range of normal for all of the milestones. And whether a baby hits it on the beginning end of that range, the end of that range, that I don't care about, right? Because the range of normal is the range of normal. So for rolling, it's a 4 to 6 month milestone. Between that age range is when we want babies to be rolling belly to back to belly. Sitting would be just sitting, not getting in and out of sitting, but just sitting would be a 6 to 8 month milestone. That's when babies go from prop sitting to being able to reach in all directions without falling over. Then crawling would be really like a 7 to 10 month milestone. Usually babies actually start transitioning in and out of sitting around when they start crawling. And that's from, going from, through army crawling on their bellies to then pushing up onto all fours, or rocking on all fours and then moving on all fours. So that will happen within that range. And by 10 months, we really do want to see that. And walking is a very big range, 10 to 15 months. Some will even say up to 18 months. I'm a little cautious with that, upper end, unless, everything has been a little bit delayed. But 10 to 15 months, and it goes to your point, which is there are some babies who are walking at 9, 10 months. That is so early. And I find parents are most anxious about walking because everybody wants their child to walk. I mean, they're like, when are they going to walk already? I'm tired of wiping their hands, their dirty hands from crawling all over, right? It's like putting me to shame that my floors aren't clean, right? And so, everybody wants their children to walk. And so I'll get all these messages. My baby's 12 months old and not walking, 12 months, 13 months. And that's when I'll say like, okay, but I'm not worried about that because you have up till 15 months. And if your baby goes 10 months to 15 months, that's the range of normal. So unless we're really getting to the end range and baby's not making continuous progress towards that, whatever milestone we're approaching, if that's happening, then we have to, we want to take a little bit closer look. If we're not seeing a progression of skill, that's when we're like, okay, is baby not on track and we want to step in and help. And I can go into a little bit further detail if that's, where we're going.